All right, good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. Today was a day I really wish that we could have been together because today is my birthday and I would have loved to celebrate with you at school. Instead, I will be celebrating at home. So, happy Tuesday. Today, for math, we are going to do a mid-chapter check. You're going to complete your work independently. Someone can read the questions out loud to you, but you need to answer those questions by yourself. Do your best. If you start to get discouraged, remember you can always say a little prayer. Jesus is always listening to those prayers, even something with a mid-chapter check for math. For reading today, you are going to answer questions 2 through 5 on page 333. Somewhere in your purple journal, you can choose. Using the treasures story, Mice and Beans, to answer those questions. So you've read that story once, you reread that story, and now you're hopefully pretty familiar with it, and you're going to answer questions 2 through 5 on page 333. For writing today, you're going to do an acrostic poem. Now, earlier this week, the first day that I introduced acrostic poems, I said you could use your name to practice writing an acrostic poem. If you used your first name for that, then for this project today, I want you to use your middle name or your last name, okay? If you haven't done your first name yet, then go ahead and do your first name instead. For grammar, you're going to do grammar worksheet page 128. There are 6 sentences on this page. You need to make corrections in all 6 sentences. So you need to add commas where they need to go in all 6, but you only need to rewrite 3 of them. The ones that you rewrite, make sure you pay attention to capitalizing that first letter and your punctuation. Also remember, if you choose a sentence that has proper nouns inside the sentence, make sure you capitalize those words as well. Today is your spelling test, so do your best. You'll find a spelling test sheet in there for you. And for Bible today, you're going to say your Bible memory or fill in the blank for Psalm 23, verses 1 through 3. If you choose to say it, have your parents send over a video of that. I would love to see it. For your Bible story, it's found in Acts 8, verses 26 through 40, and it's Philip and the Ethiopian. So a little bit of a different story today. And for art, it says chalk your walk. Draw or write encouraging messages on your driveway or sidewalk with chalk, if you have chalk. If you don't have chalk, I understand. But if you do have chalk and you have time, this would be a great art project to do. Then head outside and take a walk and look for other prints and messages written by your neighbors. This would be an awesome time to be seen. Think of a way that, or a message or a drawing that you can be seen with. I hope you have a great day.